Okay, here's a centrifuge demonstration. Centrifuge is the second icon right here. It's hard to see, but this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and double click it and turn it on. And there's the custom logo that they made for me too for the loading screen of Centrifuge. Alright, here's Centrifuge. This is what you see when you start it up. I was playing a song before I got out of the car, so that's what you were hearing. This is the front screen. You have your playlist screen, your music section, your video section, nav section, radio, and phone. I haven't used radio or phone. I actually can't use radio because you have to put in an FM tuner that's in the PC, and so I can't use that one. And then the phone, I haven't tested yet, so I'll have to test that later. Anywho, the playlist screen lists all my songs so far, my library, my playlist right here, and I don't know what these two are for. I think these buttons are eject buttons, but every time I hit those, it freezes, so I'm not going to hit those. I can select a song if I want to, like this one, and hit that star, and it puts it in my favorites, so that way I can just like go to my favorites really fast and quick. This right here, this is one of the, just a little picture in the background. It's pretty cool to look at when you're driving or when you have passengers. It's pretty cool for entertainment. You can hit this and it switches, like if I had album art, it would display album art, and there's also more of these little things here. If I hold it down and let go, whoops, okay, if I hold it down, then I can see this in full screen, except when you're driving you can't see this in full screen because they consider it a distraction, so it goes to this, but it's still pretty cool. My library button is here, and for my library I can go from artists to albums to music folders. The F folder is my thumb drive. I'm not going to use an external hard drive like a big one because I don't think the computer puts out enough power for it to power it. And I've tried 2 external hard drives already, so I'm just going to use my thumb drive for music and video. Let's go to something else. I've tested nav. I'll test nav in another video. I'll drive like to the store and show you how that works. I haven't tested any of this stuff yet. This is the internet. That green button means I have a connection. I actually have I'm bumming somebody's connection, I don't know who. But it's pretty cool because that Bluetooth Wi-Fi dongle is pretty strong. So I really haven't used my iPhone yet for tethering. But if I go to web, it'll open up the browser. And it should open up Centrifuge's website from here. So we'll give it a minute. See, there's the Centrifuge website. I can hit the keyboard and type in, I'm going to type in WRBIT.com and hit enter, and it should take me to I don't know exactly what it took me to. That's not what I wanted to do. Let me type in a URL. And we'll see if it takes me to WRBIT.com. And it looks like it is. This looks like your website. Yep, that looks like your website. And go ahead and scroll down. So it's kind of hard to navigate without a mouse. So eventually I will be ordering a mouse because I have to do this to go up and down and side to side. So I mean, I will be ordering a mouse set so that way I can use it. But anyway, here's your website, WRBIT, and that's how that works. And I can go back to my main screen like that. The weather is pretty cool. I'll hit on the weather button right here, and it'll show me the weather right now from the Weather Channel. So that's pretty cool. I haven't programmed in any other cities but Oklahoma City yet, though. And that's pretty much it. This can take me back to Windows if I hit that. And this can also turn off the computer from here. I think the sleep or hibernate buttons here will either put the computer to sleep or hibernate it, and then when I turn the car back on, it should pop back up, but I haven't tested it. So let me go ahead and cancel and go back to Windows. And then from here, I'm going to stop the video and do the navigation demo.